Good morning, friends. So today we will be seeing a question on Leetcode, that is maximum area of square holes in a grid. Now we will be given two integers n and m and two integer array h bar and v bar. The grid has n plus 2 horizontal and n plus 2 vertical bars, creating one by one units, 1 cross 1 unit cell. If you can see in the diagram like this. So the bar are indexed starting from 1, like this is the first line, second line, third line, fourth line. You can remove some of the bars in H bar from the horizontal bar and some of the bars from V bar. Note that other bars are like which bars you can remove, that is given in an array. That is second bar you can remove, third bar you can remove. Now H bar means horizontal one. You can remove horizontal one. And V bars are vertical bars that you can remove. That is only two. That is this one. You can only remove this bar. In H bar you can remove either two or three. Now we need to return the integer denoting maximum area of square shaped hole. Like and this is removed. So this hole is empty. So the hole, but it makes a rectangle rather than a square. So we need to find out the square part, not the grid part. We need to find the square part. I hope the question is clear to you all. Okay, let's just move to the explanation. Most of you must be thinking about, let's just do a recursion on these two array. First I will remove this, then I will remove this, testing remove this, very different combinations. You will be trying different combinations. But I think we do not need a combination, we just need a simple observation. Let's suppose I remove this branch. Let's suppose I remove any one branch, this branch, and I remove this branch. So this area is empty, right? Now the square that I can make, like this exists. I am not removing this, this exists. So the smallest square that can be made is either this minimum of this length or minimum of this length. So first I saw that I need to, when all bars are removed, I need to check, when all bars are removed, I need to check the minimum value of length. If any length that exists of a smaller value, that will be making my square. In this scenario where we are not removing two bars, this will be the square because the smallest length is 1. Now how we will be finding, like we need to remove all the bars and then we will be finding the minimum value. Now the question here is how we will be finding all the bars. Like I need to remove all the bars and then check, right? So what I can do, I can take the minimum, or you can say streak. We already know what is streak, continuous things. So let's suppose there is a bigger matrix given, it has a lot of bars. Now this is length, like one shell, I know one cell is making a square. If the next shell also needs to contribute in making the cell, I need to remove this bar. If I need to extend it more length, I need to remove this. Let's suppose this cannot be removed, this third one cannot be removed. So my streak or my maximum length will be of 3. My maximum length will be of 3 because this occurred and this cannot be removed. So I need to check which all can be removed so that I can check the streak or the maximum length after removing the bars. After removing the bars, I will be checking the maximum streak that I can get, and maximum streak of vertical, maximum streak of horizontal. I will be calculating and then I will be finding the minimum value. Now I got the minimum value, so the square can be L into L. That is L square. So what I need to do, I need to find the minimum length after removing all the bars. Now how will be I will be finding the minimum length by calculating the consistent length, like the streak, or you can say a consistent bars that I am removing, that will be contributing in my length. Now we need to have the maximum area. For the maximum area, streak should be maximum, length should be maximum. So we will be getting the maximum streak, finding the minimum value of both of the maximum streak, and then calculating the area. I hope the question is clear to you all, like the explanation part. Now we can move toward the coding. So what I did, I just sorted both of the array. Now I will be taking a C value or a count value, pointer value, anything you can take for just calculating the streak value, max 1 or max h, max v. You will be moving towards the bar and checking if we have a continuous bar. Now if continuous bar means as I have sorted the array, so the previous value will be lesser than this. And if it is 1 plus that is mean we got 1 bar, index of 1, then 2, then 3. So that means we are continuous. So we will be doing a continuous value. Else we will be again making the bar still 1. Calculating the maximum. Same for vertical. I will be calculating side, or you can say length, anything. I will be calculating this and doing calculating the area and returning the area. Let's just try to run this code. Okay, let's just try to submit this. Okay, we got an accepted answer. Now the time complexity of this code is on, and space complexity you can time complexity is n log n, because we are sorting it. So n log n plus m log n, you can say. So time complexity, and this is a normal on loop, and we have already only 3 4 integers, that is on complexity, space complexity. So I hope the code is clear to you all. If anyone has any doubt in the code or any point in explanation, you can try writing in the comment section. Or if you have any better approach, so you can also try writing in the comment section. Thank you.